Yeah. Yes, guys. Thanks for clicking and welcome here. Just from what you can see from the screen, I'm going to be sharing with you a way to make money with Forex in 2023. So by the end of this video, you're going to be able to take trades like this. You know, I'm going to show you exactly how you are able to take trades like this. So this strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you is a proven strategy. I have used it, and it was my first strategy to get me funded with FTMO. I passed the challenge, the verification, and managed the account using this strategy. So it's a proven strategy, and yeah. So without further ado, I'm going to remove this, and we are going to start all over again. So what you want to do, I want you to go and look for this indicator called awesome oscillator. So by typing in awesome oscillator, this indicator, you can find it on TradingView. It's there also on MetaTrader 4, even MetaTrader 5. So I already have the indicator on my chart. It's right over here. And what this indicator does, awesome oscillator, this indicator measures the strength of the trend, you know. So I'll give you an example. When the market is trending down, we are going to have what we call convergence. The convergence is where we have like lower lows on the indicator, and we also have lower lows on the price action. Yeah. Now, what we want to be taking advantage of, all the signals from this indicator that are going to be useful to us, is when we have divergence. So divergence is when we have a lower low on price action, but we are having higher highs, sort of like higher highs on the indicator. So that's going to be our first signal that we are looking for, and I'm going to build off that in a shortly. So the first signal that we want to see is divergence. So divergence is when we have lower lows and higher highs on price. Now, the second thing that we want to look for is we need to confirm with price action if price is going to really continue bullish or moving forward. So we mark out our recent high before divergence formed. So this is our recent high. What we want is we want price to close above those highs. Once price closes above those highs, we take the trade on a discounted price before price moved up. Yeah. So we'll take our entry at a discounted area before. Now, when it comes to entries, I've created actually a full course on this strategy, and for those of you that would like to access that course, I'm going to be giving you, I'm going to be gifting you. Watch the video up to the end, and yeah. So, like I said, the second rule is to have your highs marked, and once price closes above, you want to take a trade on a discounted area. Yeah. So the best things to always go for a 1 to 3 risks reward, and yeah, to keep things simple. Now let's go back. I'm going to show you something I talked about, why it's important to mark out the high. You notice we had divergence here. Yeah, we had divergence in this area, but we did not take a trade in that area, and for only one reason: price didn't break structure. So on the indicator here, we can see we had divergence, but when we look at our recent highs, price never confirmed the change in trend. So for this particular trade, we did not take a trade, and divergence continued to print here. That's when we actually had to take a trade. So yeah, let me show you another trade. So let's keep monitoring. We are going to look at our indicator. We can clearly see that here we had the higher high, and even here higher high. So this is convergence, not trade. We come here, we have lower lows, convergence until this area. So you can clearly see. So let me zoom in at this area. We are going to take this area for case study. So we can see price printed a divergence here. Let me grab my line too. We have this, and we also have this on the indicator, showing that, bro, anytime we are going to what? To go up. So that's the first rule. Now the second rule, you want to go and pull up your line to mark the recent highs. As soon as price closes above, you now have a solid uptrend confirmed. So you're going to come take a trade on the previous discounted area, and you you are in this trade for a 1 to 3. Yeah, yeah, and price actually continues higher and higher and higher. Yeah. So for those of you that have watched this video thus this far, like I said, I've created a course for those of you that want to use this strategy to manage prop farms. So it is a step by step, the journal, the trading rules, the rules you have to follow, and yeah. So the course is only $100, but for the first 5 people that are actually going to go and subscribe or buy the course, you can use the coupon code YES50 and you'll get a $50 discount. So you only get the course for $50. Yeah. So in the course, you also get to be a part of a community of traders using this same strategy, and mentorship for about a month. Yeah. Okay, guys. That brings us to the end of this video, and you can find the coupon code in the description. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful to you. Yeah, enjoy.